Do you think it is worth learning web design even with these AI? Absolutely is my obvious answer. I'm just trying to think of devil's advocate. I haven't even thought about touching those like AI web design. I have no interest in that. Not yet. Ask me again in 2 years. I might have a different answer, but I do think it's worth it. I don't think a business can just let AI make their marketing materials. I think it's great to use AI for low pressure situations. Like even my presentation earlier, it's not my marketing materials. If I just grab a little AI image and put it on the side for context, it's great. But as my marketing materials, I've discovered you have to be careful. I think that you don't want to just rely on it at all yet for that stuff. Will that change? It might. I actually think that there's much more to it than just training AI on what other websites look like. I think that marketing has an element of trendiness to it, and you will always want to stay ahead. And AI will always be reflective of what's behind because it's based on previous data. Can an AI make a prediction? Yes. But can an AI behave in such a way that it creates trends? I think with AGI it could, but I don't think that will be the commonplace. I believe the humans and their behavior will drive the marketing tactics because they're the ones that are spending. If an AI has to be convinced to spend some money, let's say I have an agent and my agent's allowed to spend up to $100 a day to solve my problems, yeah, that'll be interesting. I do see one day where AI is operating on its own and there are these like gateways online it goes through to pick up extra information and data, and I could see those almost like toll booths and they get charged. So I can see a future where AIs pay for things. Don't write that off yet. Look, you are so much further ahead than you realize. AI is far away still. If you think that every business is just going to flip an AI switch next year, you're so misunderstood of what's going on because you're in the bubble of Twitter and YouTube. And because these trends have arisen, the people like myself, the experts, serious people in the industry, they want to know what the cutting edge is because there's money to be made there. But that's not where a lot of the money is made. A lot of money is made on what's tried and true and working well. New stuff is not where people flood their money in. And websites require updates. Websites require changes. At some point, you will be like, should I spend 3 hours writing the perfect prompt or should I just go make it myself? Because the AI does not know what you want on your website. And if you rely on AI, how are you going to fix your website? How are you going to change it? How are you going to know how things were built? AI will maintain it. Sure, maybe. You're quite far off. Even someone claims we're in the singularity. The technology singularity is not reflective of the adoption curve. The technology singularity is exponential and it's already at an asymptote state. The adoption curve is an S and you're still in the bottom S. Then it goes up and then it flattens out again. It takes a long time for the last group of people to finally get in. So no, you're not thinking correctly. You're letting fear be an easy excuse, or you're letting an idea that may be a problem defeat you from something where there are people so much dumber than you making 10 times more than you because you think of this one question. Literally thinking that question is preventing you from success. You need to ask a much different question. What's the next thing I need to do to make $1,000 tomorrow? You shouldn't be asking me if one little thing is going to be replaced by AI. Yes, in a far enough path, everything will be changed. We won't even use the internet as it is. It'll be shifted in some way. But if you're asking questions that already presume defeat, you're actually internalizing that probably. And so you're not going to take action because you're going to suspect it's all for a waste. Doesn't matter. If you market from 2020 to 2029 and do the best you can with websites, and then in 2030, websites become AI only, do you think they're gonna hire people who say, oh yeah, I just learned AI websites this year? Or are they gonna hire someone who says, I have 10 years experience in website development and I also know how to deploy AI with it? If you enjoyed that clip, you'll love the full live stream. I've linked it here for you. And if you're looking for something for beginners, check this video out. It's an A to Z. See you guys next time.